Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! Finally, the price has found a way how to break outside of the range that was discussed in the last 2 weeks, and it was also formed in the last 2 weeks. What we can see here on a Monday, we can see that for the 3 days in this week, the price stayed inside the range that was holding the price from breaking on the outside, on the upper side or downside. On Monday, we had a bullish candle, where we can see the low and the high of the candle between these two support and resistance level. On a Tuesday, what we can see here is a little bit larger bearish candle body that closed below the previous day candle. And on a Wednesday, we can see here a bearish pin bar that has formed with the candle body closing below previous 2 days candle's body. This was not so clear indication that the price will break below, because the low of these candles was not below Monday candle. So the breakout that has formed on a Thursday was not possible to predict easily. A small signal is this bearish pin bar, but for this trade was not possible to predict on a daily time frame. There was also no retrace after breaking this range area, but the price continued down, reaching the lower levels, and the lower level it was here around 1.03550. The support level 1.0329 has held the price from further declining down. What we can see here, the supply and demand area around this support level has held the price from the price moving down. On a Friday, we can see a bullish candle that has formed after a strong selling pressure, which was also indication that the traders that has traded this breakout to the downside has closed their trades and get out before the weekend starts. This is the usual reaction on the market after a strong selling or buying pressure, and on a Friday to prevent losing the money that traders have earned after the selling or buying pressure. The goal is to lock the profits and avoid possible weekend's reaction on the bad news that could turn the price in the opposite direction. What could happen if you stay inside the trade on a Tuesday on this level, and Fridays comes here and you are still in the trade for selling, then it can happen that we have a gap here opening on a Monday on a higher price, or on Monday the price returning all the way up, completely erasing the profit you have earned last week. So what we can see here, the price is outside of the range. Now we have a cleaner image for the price, that the price has managed to break below, so we can expect the price moving further down. We have here an open area for the price that we could see the price filling on the next week, and that is a making retrace to this level 1.04700, which is also a low on the last attempt for the price when moving down. Well, if we take a look in the past, what has happened when the price has reached this level where the price was moving down, we will see how the price reacted. Okay, this is first scenario, what has happened after the price breaking below and reaching lower levels, and this is 1.03677. The price has returned back up, reaching 1.04734 and 1.047. Okay, it is 1.04800. So reaching on the retrace high levels and then returning back down, testing again lower levels and going back up again and going down, reaching almost this demand zone around 1.02975 support area. So we could expect that the price will make bouncing around these two levels. So we can see here also this support level is a strong support that will hold the price on the upper side, so we can find a selling opportunity on a retrace back up around this supply zone. So in our case, what we can expect next week. Here we go. As I said, the retrace could happen around this area, so we can expect the price reaching retrace here and then going down again because of this selling pressure here, what we have seen in the last week. We can see that the selling pressure around this level 1.05594 and this one 1.05935 is a strong selling pressure. So the price, if the price makes a retrace and doesn't retrace back down, then we can see reaching these levels around this area. Also, what we can see here, this is a confluence of resistance which gives more selling pressure for the price. So if the price reaches here and stays a little bit, then we could see the price moving down again. But I am more inclined to see the price here around 1.04700 and then making a retrace back down. So I would look for selling price action signals around this level. On the lower side, if the price manages to close the day below this level 1.03780, we could expect the price reaching this level 1.02975 and from there bouncing again up on the upside, as we have seen in the past what has happened when the price reached this level. So we could see the price bouncing around these two levels for a while until breaks below and reaches 1.01368. This level is also a confluence of support for the price, where we can see here downtrend support line, and the price will have hard time breaking below. So on the upper side, it is less likely to see the price on the upper side because the price needs to break first this range area that has held the price last 2 weeks, and then it needs to break this downtrend resistance line and also this horizontal resistance line. So this is a confluence of resistance where the price will have hard time to break. First, it must break this one, then this one resistance, and then this one, just to change a slightly bias from the bearish to bullish. So for the next week, let's wait until the retrace happens. Be aware that we could see the price bouncing right here around these two levels. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!